In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to repost someone else's Telegram story to your own. This can be a meaningful way to show support and acknowledgement with their content. It helps amplify their message to a broader audience, fostering connection and mutual engagement. To do this, simply head to Telegram. Now let's say you want to repost this story to your own story, simply tap onto this share icon on your bottom right. You want to tap on Repost Story. The whole other person's story will automatically appear to your story. You can add any caption, then tap on Next to proceed. Customize who you want to see this story, then tap on Post Story to get shared publicly. Well, that's how easy it is to repost Telegram stories. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.